Drimsim eSIM review. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be talking about our Drimsim eSIM. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now Drimsim is a platform where you can order yourself an eSIM anywhere around the world, and they bring you the most affordable rates. They don't have any monthly fees or any hidden payment. You just simply go ahead and buy one of their eSIMs, buy one of their plans, and you're set to go. All right, and it's really simple. And if you click the link in the description below, you will be able to sign up and order yourself an eSIM with an even more affordable rate and a big discount as well. Right, there's a promo code down below that you can go ahead and use when you order the SIM. So make sure you click the link in the description below. Now, once you click on it, you can come over here and you can also scroll down and you can see how much it is. So for example, if you're in Spain, you can see right here, this is how much it would cost on use, and this is how much it would cost if you go ahead and select one of the eSIMs. So not a whole lot of difference, but if you're someone in Albania, right? All right, so here we go. So here you can see in Cameroon, all right, it's $4 per euro. It's 4 euros per MB upon use, and upon use with eSIM, it's 0.2 euros per MB. So you can see it's a little bit cheaper. Well, not a little bit, quite a lot of cheaper. And even in Colombia, you can see right here, it's 0.05, and here it's 0.01. So you can see it's quite cheap when it comes to certain countries. So if you're one of them, you can come over here, click on the rate list, and to select one of your countries, and it'll give you the entire rate list, right? So then you just simply click on here on the Get Drim eSIM, right? It'll take you down below. You can choose which type of SIM you want. The SIM card costs 10 euros. So just simply select your device. Virtual one is going to be eSIM. And then you just simply select one of your countries. Click on next. Again, apply the coupon code over here, which you can find in the link in the description below. So make sure you do that. Then enter your email to activate your SIM card. Settings will be directed to this email in a few minutes, and then you just simply go ahead and pay it, and then you're good to go. So there you have it. That's how you do it. That's how you can order yourself a Drim eSIM, and that's my review of Drim eSIM. It's just that easy. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.